Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, remember that this is my personal experience with using this platform. We're taking a look at Luno, found at www.luno.com, and sharing my hands-on experience with it. Luno is a platform that offers a straightforward way to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies. Their website is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even for those new to the world of crypto. Navigating the site is pretty intuitive, and they offer a range of helpful resources for beginners. One of the things I appreciate about Luno is their focus on security. They employ robust security measures to protect user funds and data. This includes two-factor authentication and secure storage solutions. They also provide educational materials that empower users to understand the importance of security best practices. While no platform is entirely risk-free, Luno takes security seriously, which is a big plus. From my experience, their customer support is generally responsive and helpful. I've had a couple of instances where I needed assistance, and they were relatively quick to address my queries. They have a decent FAQ section as well, which can be a valuable resource for troubleshooting common issues. Overall, I've found their customer support to be satisfactory. In terms of fees, Luno is fairly competitive within the market. Their fee structure is transparently laid out on their website, making it easy to understand what you'll be paying for various transactions. It's always wise to compare fees across different platforms, but based on my research, Luno offers reasonable rates. Finally, I'd like to point out that the availability of Luno's services may vary depending on your geographical location. It's essential to check their website to confirm whether they operate in your region. It's also important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies involves risk, and it's crucial to conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. This is simply my own experience, and your mileage may vary.